I might have to remove that piece.
All right, let's go. Alright, so for the bolts right here, the T27. And for these back here, I don't know what to say, I guess it's just one spin. Okay. So for these back here is a T25. Alright, so I loosened up some of these already. I'm gonna see if I could loosen up the rest of these back here. The clip in the back is pretty big, so I'll just see if I can just push the screwdriver over it and pull it down and see if it will come out. Alright, that's one. Alright, that's two. So these are the two big clips that I'm talking. all you just gotta do is just pull down, and then you should be able to pull it out. All right, so I got one more here. I think my wrench just broke. All right, so kind of have the whole transmission kind of exposed right here. Well, next thing, I'm gonna move this, and I know the power steering is right under here, but we do have a few bolts that we need to loosen as well. And then I have everything on my laptop, so what I gotta do is probably bring that out so I could put all the right torques in. And once the right torques are in, and I think these are titanium bolts, they should be one-time bolts. So I'm gonna see if I can find a way to go around it instead of pulling the subframe off. If I can't, and I think I cannot, then we'll more than likely have to slightly lower it down and see if we could get it out. So, well, let me stop talking. Let's keep moving. See what else we could get loose from down here. That one's loose. Three. There's one I pulled from right here, so I could put back that one because I didn't need to remove that one bolt right there. All right, so we do have some bolts that goes straight to the, the engine mount subframe, the engine mount support. So I'm trying to see what else do I need to remove before start getting deep into this. All right. Because I want to say it should be like these 4 big bolts that hold it in. And then there's I need to get another I think it's like my star 1, and then I need to remove the steering wheel from the whole assembly, but we gotta remember we gotta put the seat belt through so it doesn't move. And then we gotta remove 2 bolts from back here, one back here and one over this side, and I think that should be everything. And then we could just replace it. The only thing that is, and I gotta read back on I have to read the thing first to see if there is something that I need to do.
might have to remove that piece.
All right, let's go.